is Craft Mama. We are going to do a flower that will never make you sneeze, and you never have to worry about killing it because it doesn't need water. These are simply done with paper hearts, which I'm going to show you how to do, with and a dum-dum sucker in the middle. I have two different sets of types of hearts. You can have your smooth-edged hearts, which is what I have used to do mine. But you can also do the scalloped hearts, just depending on, you know, what you want your hearts to look like. And then I use a little heart, which is smaller, to cut out to do the middle of the flower to help reinforce it. They're really easy. If you've ever used paper punches, slip the paper in, and you have a heart. You know, this is the scalloped edge is what I did this one out of. That's something, you know, your children can do with you, cut out the hearts. I have pre-cut out our hearts. I'm going to run you're going to take 4 of the bigger hearts and 4 of the smaller hearts, because you're going to put them together. And then you have 2 small hearts to put in the center where you'll be putting your dum-dum sucker through. What I did, just because it makes it easy, simpler, is using your Creative Station, create a sticker, and slide them through. This way you get even glue on them. Let's get these last 2 in here. And I'm a big person for waiting for them to go 50% off and then getting them. Just gonna roll them through here till they come out on the back side. Cut them off. And there you have them on the strip. So, pull off this top. If you're familiar with this, you know the top piece of cellophane comes off and it's sticky. I think he's wanting to see the Creative Station there. That's what I run them through. Like I said, big on finding things when they go on sale. Michael's is always doing 50% off coupons and different things. So have this sticky stuff on them. Just gonna peel them off. You're gonna put them on the inside of the heart and smooth it down. I'll let the cameraman have that one while I do the other 3. Okay, so now we have all 4 of our little hearts here are done. I'm going to take my tape runner, glue runner, tape runner. I think this one's it's adhesive, all the same. Another thing, I'm big on coupon time and they go on sale. Now with this, you're just going to run just a little bit of glue on the outside piece of the bigger heart. I don't think it's going to be able to be picked up from the camera that it's there or not. And then you're just going to take the other heart and you're going to glue it together. So you're overlapping just a little. And that's how you're going to add your flowers. Of course, once you have 3 on, with your last one on, you're going to need to put, of course, glue onto the outside edges of both hearts that you're using. And if you're doing this without a mat, make sure you have some kind of paper or something so you're not getting glue on everything. It's kind of a... Okay, so now you have your 4 hearts together. And you can, I have a solid for my back and a print for the heart. I think, like this one, we've done a solid small one and a printed back. You can do them either way. And I usually take a print of the little, whatever I do as a small heart, I put it on the front piece over those edges, and I'll show you just a second here. Just because all you need to do is you're working on reinforcing that center. Because when you poke a hole, you don't want it to tear a hole and make a mess. What I do to do my holes is use my big, I think this is big bite. I've tried it with the ones with the handles. Can't get far enough in, but of course with the big bite you can. I usually use the 3/16 one, so it's the bigger hole punch. It's the crocodile, I think it's a crocodile 2. Used to be a big bite. They've been called many different things. And the rest is going to take your heart, work on getting right in the middle, and punch your hole. There you have your hole. Okay, then you're just going to take a regular dum-dum sucker, and I always try to make sure the wrapper is tight around the sucker, just because it'll make it go in smoother. Then we're just going to push your flour up to the base of it. Okay, and then you just kind of work with your flower petals, kind of give them a little, don't really put a crease in them, but just kind of bend them up a little and work on making it look like your petals are, you know, coming up more around your sucker. And you have a flower. It won't make you sneeze. It won't die if you forget to give it water. It won't freeze out in the cold. And the frost can't get it. It's the perfect flower. Have a nice day.